Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your to begin recovering your credit card information with HSBC. First, open your web browser. Navigate to the HSBC website. Once on the home page, locate the Log On button at the top right corner. Click on Log On to access the login page. If you can't remember your login credentials, look for the Forgot Password or Forgot User ID link on the login page. Click on the appropriate link based on your needs. You will be prompted to enter your registered email address or mobile number. Provide the necessary information and click Continue or Next. Follow the instructions sent to your email or mobile device. You may receive a verification code or a link to reset your password. If you receive a verification code, enter it in the designated field. Create a new password if required, ensuring it meets the security criteria. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the HSBC login page. Enter your user ID and the new password you just created. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts or Credit Cards section. Here, you can view your credit card information, including the card number and transaction details. If you need a physical card replacement, look for the Request a New Card option. Follow the prompts to request a replacement card if needed. For further assistance, consider contacting HSBC customer support through the Contact Us section. Your credit card information should now be accessible, and you can manage your account confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.